and a very warm welcome to an absolutely brand new season of SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. I'm your host Ajay Punya and we're back with lots more research and lots more entertainment. If you thought last year's questions were easy, then this year's questions are certainly easier. It's probably the answers that are not. So we went across 29 cities, meeting these emerging faces of Indian quizzing and have found the best of the best 20 teams. And starting today, we begin our search for the sharpest, the smartest, the national champion of SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. It is now time for me to introduce the 5 teams that will compete in the first of our 4 semi-finals. Remember, only the best team qualify while the others go home. As Team 1, we have Kumaran's home CBSE, Bengaluru. Welcome. As Team 2, we have Sunbeam English School, Varanasi. Then as Team 3, we have MSMSV from Jaipur. As Team 4, we have Mount Carmel School from Delhi. And as Team 5, we have DAV Pokhariput. So that completes our lineup for the first semi-final. We are ready to begin this show. So let's start, shall we? Here's your first round. This is called Chanakya Niti. There'll be a total of 10 questions. The Niti that you have to figure out is when to make use of the buzzers as we play hangman alongside. Here's the first hangman. 8 letters, 4 letters. Anybody wanting to go for it right now? No one? Wise call. First question, this is yours, Kumaran's Bengaluru. Created by Brahma, they lived in the region near the present-day Tungabhadra. Their king was the son of Surya. Some believe that Murti Rajas of Andhra and Shettis of Karnataka are their descendants. Who am I talking about?
Ishkavaku
is the wrong answer. Team 2, this is yours. Not trying? Moving across to SMS Jaipur.
Gurjis
is incorrect as well. Mount Carmel.
The son of Surya is Manu, so the answer could be Manavas.
Manavas is wrong. DAV Pokhariput.
Dravidians
is incorrect as well. I'm afraid everybody got this one wrong. The right answer is Vanar Sena. Here's a look at the first hangman. So we've placed a V, and the clue that I'm giving, film with this title won the 1993 National Film Award for the best film. Nobody going for it yet? Right, let's move on to the second question. Since nobody answered the previous one, this is for Team 2. Major General Stringer Lawrence was the first Commander-in-Chief of India. He is regarded as the father of which Indian entity? Sunbeam, Varanasi.
Ophiology
is incorrect. MSMSV.
The Geological Survey of India
is incorrect. We're still waiting for a correct answer in this first quiz. Yes.
Is he the father of the police force?
Of the police force? No. Team 5, DAV Pokhariput.
Founder of Archaeological Survey of India?
Is incorrect. Team 1.
Father of Indian education or the CBSE board?
Of the CBSE
or
board?
The Indian education.
Indian education. All right, good, good. You've really impressed your teachers and everybody else in the CBSE board. But that's the wrong answer as well. The right answer, he's the founder of Indian Army, Commander-in-Chief of India. Hard luck, no points to anyone. So we have an I from Indian Army. This is where it is placed. Who's gone for it? Sunbeam English School, Varanasi. If you give me the right answer, you get 15. If you give me the wrong answer, -5. Your answer, please.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Yes, of course, it is Bhagavad Gita. Very, very good answer by Sunbeam English School. Starting this quiz with a 15-pointer. They missed their direct, but they got the buzzer. All right, so hangman closes in the first part. Here's the next question. This is now a direct for SMS. Name this monastery established by Sengye Namgyal, which is well known for its annual festival that has masked dance performances.
Rumtek Monastery.
Rumtek, incorrect.
Tawang.
Tawang is incorrect. DAV Pokhariput.
Chogyal
is incorrect as well. Kumaran's Bengaluru. 10 points if you give me the right answer. Anytime in the next 2 seconds. 1, time's up. Moving on. Sunbeam.
Hemis.
Hemis! Yes! Hemis! This was Hemis. Hard luck. Not Rumtek, not the others that you said. This is Hemis. Very good answer. In Ladakh, have you been to Hemis? No? Have you checked out their festival? Just read about it? Someday you will visit? I'm certain. Very good. Good answer. Back-to-back answers. First a 15er, now a 10er. Next question is for SMS again. This is yours. A list. Galla Hoye Beetiyan, 1966. Mani Mildi, 2010. Guggi Maar Duari, 2011. Dile Che Vasya Koi, 2011. Reet, 2012. Gul Gulshan Gulfam, Blank and Kashmiri. And in 2014, Geetiyan. What language are these films in?
Punjabi.
Punjabi. No. Mount Carmel, Delhi.
Sindhi.
Sindhi is incorrect. DAV Pokhariput.
Dogri.
Dogri. Yes, it is. This is Dogri. The hint that I had already given was Dogri and Kashmiri. Blank and Kashmiri. I wanted you to associate it with that. That is exactly the reason why I had given Blank and Kashmiri. The film was made in 2 languages. Very good answer, DAV Pokhariput. This is Dogri. Next question is for team 1. This is definitely going to be an effective non-toxic weapon because its pungent smell can choke terrorists and force them out of their hideouts. This is what a Diado official said on creating a grenade using what former Guinness World Record holder? What former Guinness World Record holder? Kumarans, Bengaluru. Waiting for an answer. Doesn't look like it's coming. Moving on. Sunbeam, Varanasi.
Bhoot Jolakia.
Please say that again.
Bhoot Jolakia, the hottest chili ever.
Bhoot Jolakia.
Yes.
The chilies from Nagaland.
Yes, sir.
Using a grenade. Creating a grenade using that.
Sir, it formerly held a Guinness Book World.
Of course. Please collect your 10. That's the answer. Very, very good. Fabulous answer. Sunbeam English School, Varanasi. That gets you your 10. Oh dear, they've made early inroads into this game. Right. So that brings us to the end of the first part of the first round. We'll take a quick look at the scores now and see which team has made early advances and which teams are still in the middle of their beauty sleep. So the scores tell us that Sunbeam English School Varanasi's made early advances into this game. They're at 35, followed by DAV Pokhariput, team 5. They're at 10. The other teams, still early days, lots of points, crucial points to be won in the next round, which is where we're headed after this very short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. You're watching the first semi-final of SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. We through with the first part of the first round. We had Sunbeam English School Varanasi taking early lead with 35, followed by DAV Pokhariput at 10. Right. So we'll continue with the second hangman. Here it comes. 2 words, 6 letters, 8 letters. 15 minus 10 if you're feeling trigger happy and you want to go for it right now. No one. Wise call. This question is for DAV Pokhariput, Team 5. We'll go anti-clockwise. Watch the video. Question follows.
और भड़केगा जो शोला सा हमारे दिल में है सरफराशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है
Alright, in 1928, which political leader succumbed to the injuries he suffered in a lathi charge ordered on a march protesting the Simon Commission? And this is a video that I'm sure you must have seen a few years ago. Yes, DAV Pokhariput, Team 5, your answer?
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai. That's the answer I was looking for. Very, very good, DAV Pokhariput. You collect your 10 points. Good answer. Next question. In fact, before that, here's the hangman. Premiered at the Museum of Modern Art, New York. So we have an L placed as the second last letter. Premiered at the Museum of Modern Art, New York. Who's gone for it? Sunbeam English School, Varanasi, Team 2. What is your answer? You got the previous buzzer as well.
Pather Pachali.
Premiered at the Museum of Modern Art. Have you tried to fit it in?
Yes, sir.
You're saying Pather Panchali?
Yes, sir.
Lovely answer. 15 points yet again. Sunbeam's the only team playing the buzzer in this quiz, it seems. Very, very good, Sunbeam. This is Pather Panchali. Lovely answer. Right, hangman closes. We'll only play direct and pass now. Next question. Mount Carmel School, Delhi. A. Maria Irudayam is a two-time world champion and the only Arjuna awardee in his sport. Which sport? Mount Carmel?
Is it Kho-Kho?
Kho-Kho. Incorrect. World champion makes sense, but not the only Arjuna awardee. Doesn't make sense. Right. MSMSV Jaipur. Not trying. Not trying. Sunbeam
Mountaineering.
is incorrect. Kumarans Bengaluru. Gilli Danda. Arjuna Award. Two-time world champion. Okay. DAV Pokhariput. Team 5.
Yoga.
Yoga is incorrect. This was Mount Carmel's. The right answer, I am afraid everybody got it wrong. This is Karam. This is Karam, the only two-time world champion. He won it sometime in the 90s, the Arjuna Award. Hard luck all teams. Next question is for MSMSV. We've closed the hangman. Okay. Here's an audio. Listen to this. Question follows. Okay, my question. This is a remix track from a 2013 film. The song is originally from a 1988 film, Tezab. Please identify the singer. His father and son are probably more known to us.
Mukesh.
Mukesh. Okay, and his father would be?
Mukesh is the father, Nitin Mukesh is the son, and then Neil
Okay.
Mukesh is...
So your answer is Mukesh. What is your answer? Which one's your answer? You gave me 3 names. What is your answer?
Nitin Mukesh.
Nitin Mukesh. Yes, it is Nitin Mukesh. Very, very good. I thought you confused yourself with Mukesh. Mukesh was the father and Neil Nitin Mukesh, of course, is the son. So this is Nitin Mukesh. Good answer, SMS. I'm sure it feels nice to be on the scoreboard. 10 points to you. Next question, Sunbeam, this is yours. Hailing from Manipur, he is the chairperson of National School of Drama and gave up the Padma Shri in 2001 over differences about the Naga peace process. Can you please identify him?
Janu Barua.
Is incorrect. Kumaran's CBSE, Team 1.
Dancing Sengpo.
Is incorrect as well. DAV Pokhariput. No. Team from Delhi. Okay, SMS. Not trying? Not trying. Okay. Everybody missed that one. Couple of wrong answers there, but the right answer was Ratan Thiam. He's Ratan Thiam, the current chairman of NST. Right, next question is for Kumaran's Bengaluru. Standing in the Thar Desert, Balagad is the main fort of the Champawats. The town is also a pilgrimage site for Jains. Please name the town, more famous for something else altogether.
Barma.
Your answer?
Barma.
Is incorrect. DAV Pokhariput. No? No. Okay. Mount Carmel, Delhi.
Is it Dilwara?
Dilwara is incorrect. Okay, temple for Jains, but like I said, it's famous for something else completely. No.
Ocean.
Ocean is incorrect. Sunbeam. Now this is yours.
Mount Abu.
Mount Abu. I'm afraid everybody got this one wrong. Like I said, this is famous for something completely different. This is Pokhran. Pokhran. Kumaran's second guess was Pokhran, but I'm afraid I can't give you points for a second guess. This was Pokhran. Right, so that's the end of round 1. We'll move on to round 2 now. This is Shatabdi Express, and this is how it works. There'll be a total of 4 questions with 3 hints each, all of them on the buzzer. Let's start. Here we go. Created by Sanjay Gupta, debut issue by Parshuram Sharma. That's your first hint. Nobody going for it yet. Second hint. His early alter ego was of a public relations officer at Bharti Communications. Mount Carmel School, Delhi has gone for it. 10 points if you give me the right answer.
Is it Shaktiman?
-5. Third hint. 2 wives, Visarpi and Bharti. Mount Carmel has gone for it again.
Is it Captain Dhruv?
Captain Dhruv, no points, no negatives. You've only got a -5 once. The right answer would probably have been their third guess, which ideally should have been their first guess, Nagraj. 2 wives, Bharti, Visarpi. Nagraj. Next question, common to all the teams on the buzzer. PM's Prime Minister's foreign investment policies led to Coke exiting India and government manufacturing a soft drink. 77. Mount Carmel has gone for it again. Which Prime Minister?
Campa
Campa Cola. I think you got the question wrong. -5. I'm looking for the Prime Minister. Next hint. First Prime Minister to head a non-Congress government. Kumaran's CBSE Bengaluru. What is your answer?
Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai in 1977 when Coke exited India. Very good answer. Kumaran's, you get 10 points. Okay, and Mount Carmel you get -5. Next question. This state capital was planned by its king who was impressed by British city planning. I'm looking for the state capital city. No one. Next hint. Located on the banks of river Howrah. Team 3 has gone for it. What is your answer?
Agartala.
Agartala is the answer I was looking for. Very, very good. Capital of Tripura, located on the banks of river Howrah. You get 10 points SMS. Good answer. Next question. Here it comes. Last question of this round. Teen Murti Bhavan from 1948 to 1964. 10 Janpath from 1964 to 1966. Mount Carmel School, Delhi, Team 4. Your
Prime
answer.
Minister's residence.
The Prime Minister's residence, it is, of course. My next hints would have been 1 Safdarjung Road and, of course, 7 RCR. Very good answer, Mount Carmel School, Delhi. You get 15 points. I'm sure you've collected your negatives back. Right. So that brings us to the end of Shatabdi Express. As the name suggested, it has ended with a lightning fast speed. We'll take a look at the scores when we return on the other side of this short break. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. We threw it 2 rounds in the first semi-final, and this is what the scoreboard says. So we have Sunbeam English School Varanasi still leading with a score of 50, and 2 teams, MSV Team 3 and Team 5 DAV Pokhariput, are at a fair distance behind them at 20, while Team 1 is at 10 and Team 4 is at 5. But all this might change because this is a semi-final that has proved reputations count for nothing. What counts now is the edge, the X factor. Do you have it in you to deliver the final punch that makes you the last man standing? We'll see which team that will be as we move on to our third round. This is called Kabhi Ye, Kabhi Wo. Here's how it works. 10 questions, 5 on the buzzer, 5 on the bonus. Also, very importantly, the last 2 questions in this round will only be played by teams that are still in the game. First question. Rajdoot, Rajhans and Rajkamal were procured by the government in 2008 from an American company for over rupees 900 crores each. What are these? Mount Carmel School.
These are
Delhi.
bikes.
These are all
Bikes.
bikes.
Yes. Yes, bikes.
For what? 900 crores each. What were they used? What was special about these bikes?
They were the first bikes on the 1950 Republic Day, which were used for the procession.
But they were procured in 2008. -5. Doesn't move to anybody else. The right answer is these are special flights for VIPs. They were all Boeing business jets, okay, from an American company for 900 crores bikes. That's a little too much. Okay, next question. This is on the buzzer, all of you. Here's number 2. Originated in Madurai, this drink literally means cool hard. Name this refreshing drink. Sunbeam English School, Varanasi.
Fruit lassi.
Means cool hard. -5, Sunbeam English School, Varanasi. The right answer is Jil Jil Jigar Thanda. Oops. Cool heart, Jigar Thanda. Third question, this is on the buzzer, here it comes. Shri Kumarans, my question, since you've gone for the buzzer. This is one of the oldest surviving amphitheaters in Asia. Please name this Royal Sports Pavilion. Not trying? Can't give you so much time on the buzzer.
Is it wrestling?
Is incorrect. Wrong answer, -5, Shri Kumarans. The right answer is Rangghar. This in Sivsagar in Assam means entertainment house. This is Rangghar. Hard luck. So that's the end of 3 questions on the buzzer. Time for us to say goodbye to the 2 teams which will not be a part of this game anymore. And that is Team 1 and Team 4, Sri Kumarans Bengaluru, thank you for being a part of this show, and Mount Carmel School Delhi, thank you as well. Right, so we'll continue the game with Team 2, 3 and 5. Here's your fourth question. After the battle of Haldi Ghati, Ankara was presented to Maharana Pratap by his brother. Why? DAV Pokhariput.
To escape from Mansing's forces.
To escape from?
Mansing's forces.
So what is Ankara? What was Ankara? What did he gift?
So actually Maharana Pratap gave his crown to another person and he wear that one.
Crown.
He gave his means.
Crown. Okay. Wrong answer. DAV Pokhariput, -5. The right answer is Ankara was Shakti Singh's horse. When Chetak died, he gave his horse to him. And that is what I was looking for, not a crown. Hard luck, -5 to DAV Pokhariput. So now is the time for the final question of the first semi-final. Here it comes. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? DAV Pokhariput, your answer?
Vice President.
The Vice President, it is easy pickings there. +5 to you, DAV Pokhariput. We will complete this quiz. Please tell me, you want a 5-pointer or you want a 10-pointer? What do you want? You want a?
10-pointer.
10-pointer? All right, here it comes. This is yours only, DAV Pokhariput. Inspired by the Travancore coat of arms, identify the newspaper from its logo.
The New Indian Express.
This is the New Indian Express. This isn't the New Indian Express. -5 to you, DAV Pokhariput. This is the Malayala Manorama. Travancore coat of arms. Hard luck, hard luck. Right. So that's the end of our first semi-final. Let's take a look which team has reserved its spot in the national final 4 weeks from now. So this is Sunbeam English School Varanasi securing their place in the national final. That's it from all of us here at History TV 18. You are watching SBI Presents CBSE Heritage India Quiz 2014. Our search for the other finalists will continue next week. Do join us.